Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy and creative tutorial, we will learn how to apply a two-color gradient fill to the page in Microsoft Word to make your document look modern, stylish, and visually appealing. Gradient backgrounds are perfect for a presentation, cover pages, posters, and creative documents. In this video, we will discover the correct way to add gradient page background, choose two colors, and customize the style and direction for a professional finish. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. We can see here my assignment, but I need some gradient color page. At first go to the insert menu, click the shape drop down menu. Because here not available, the page color is gradient. You can check this, click the page color option and we can see fill effect or more color, but here not available the gradient. Now I make it manually. Click the shape option and choose the rectangle and draw the rectangle. Size your page, select the shape, go to the format menu, click the shape fill and select the gradient color. Now I am select this color and click the outline, choose no outline, go back again the shape fill and choose the more gradient. Then we can see here 3 gradient. Now I remove this. You can add or remove, click this button. Now I am select that button and change the color. Select this color and click the another swatch and choose another color. Then we can see here the gradient color I added. You can change the angle, then close this window. Now I click the shape, press Ctrl X, cut it and double click on the header, then paste here. Then resize the shape and close the header and footer. Then we can see the all page have a gradient background. Now we can see this is very easy and simple process. I hope you understand this way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.